Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a project in Replit step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just getting started with coding, this tutorial will help you create your first project using the latest Replit interface. So let's get started. First, I'll open the Replit application and sign in to my account. Now I'm on the Replit home page. To create a new project, I'll click Create Something New. The project creation page opens. Here I can enter a prompt or choose the type of project I want to create. For this tutorial, I'll create a simple Hello World project. Next, I'll enter a project name so it's easy to find later. Now I'll click the Create or Generate button. Replit will automatically create my project and open the workspace. As you can see, the project is now ready. On the left side, I can see my project files. In the center, I can edit my code and build my application. If needed, I can ask Replit AI to generate code or help me improve my project. Once everything is ready, I'll click the Run button to test my project and check the output. Creating a project in Replit is quick and simple, and you can use the same steps to build websites, Python programs, JavaScript apps, and many other types of projects. That's it. We've successfully created a project in Replit. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.